Okay, so hello everyone, and this is gonna be my Diwali vlog and my daily routine as well. So hope you guys will enjoy and happy Diwali. And I know I'm gonna post it late, but still happy Diwali. And yeah, let's get into the video. So this is how like my day went. Like I was gonna wash my hair, so मैंने बालों में अच्छे से तेल लगा लिया था. I hate to do it, but still I did. And I changed into some comfortable clothes cause मुझे काम करने थे. And yeah, so from here I'm starting my work from cleaning the bed and jhadu, pocha. I have to make rangoli as well, and I'll go down. like हम दोनों फ्लोर यूज़ करते हैं, सो नीचे भी हमारा काफ़ी सारा सामान है, सो वहाँ की भी थोड़ा सफाई किया था मैंने. एंड ऊपर का भी. सो आई वॉज रियली टायर्ड टू बी ऑनेस्ट. सो बेसिकली वाई आई एम स्ट्रगलिंग दिस मच कॉज मुझे मेरा एकदम ब्लैंकेट परफेक्ट चाहिए एंड दैट्स वाई इतना टाइम लगा मेरे को करने के लिए. सेकेंड थिंग आई डिड वॉज कपड़े फोल्ड करना. द थिंग आई हेट अ लॉट बट स्टिल हैड टू डू बिकॉज मैंने बहुत सारा मैस करके रख दिया था. सो या हियर आई एम फोल्डिंग माई क्लॉथ्स. एंड हियर आई एम क्लीनिंग द डाइनिंग टेबल क्योंकि सुबह इतना गंदा करके रख दिया था हमने चाय पीते टाइम. सो फिर या आई क्लीन इट समहाउ. देन मैंने साफ़ सफाई करा, थोड़ा सा झाड़ू वगैरह किया. देन थोड़ा जो शो का जो टेबल है उसे भी साफ़ कर दिया. इट वॉज नॉट दैट हार्ड थिंग बट या. एंड देन आई वेंट डाउन ऑन द फर्स्ट फ्लोर एंड वहाँ पे भी इतने सारे कपड़े थे कि मुझे वो भी फोल्ड करने पड़े. देन आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग इट करते गई एंड सम हाउ इट एंडेड एंड या आई वॉज टायर्ड. देन आई फिक्स्ड द बेड शीट एज वेल. आई फोल्डेड द ब्लैंकेट्स. आई नो आई एम gonna I think like you guys are gonna get bored, but still, yeah, this is my daily routine. So yeah, I did it. And these are the crackers. मुझे सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ अच्छी लगती है, वो ये पैराशूट है. And after getting up, I was so tired. I took some rest, and after that, I continued my work. As you can see, I did jhadu, pocha, and all this stuff. आफ्टर दैट मैंने पौधों में पानी भी डाला. आई एम अ गुड गर्ल राइट. जस्ट किडिंग. एंड आई सैट देयर फॉर सम टाइम. एंड ये मेरा भाई ना एक भी काम नहीं करेगा, सीरियसली बता रही हूँ, सिर्फ पबजी खेलता है और कुछ नहीं. फ्रॉम हियर आई स्टार्टेड द प्रोसीजर ऑफ मेकिंग रंगोली. आई लाइक एक छोटी सी डिज़ाइन थी मेरे मन में एंड मैंने बहुत जल्दी में बनाई है ये रंगोली. कॉज मुझे आपने जैसे देखा मेरे को काम करते करते काफ़ी टाइम हो गया. सो मैंने बहुत नॉर्मल सी एक रंगोली बनाई, नथिंग स्पेशल. दिस इज़ माय फेवरेट पर्पल कलर. आई वाज शोइंग ऑफ एंड कुछ ऐसी बनी. आई नो इट्स नॉट गुड बट स्टिल. एंड मुँह पर भी लग गई. एंड मुझे इतनी भूख लग गई ना कि आई स्टॉप्ड इट एंड आई मेड मैगी फॉर माई सेल्फ एंड आई एट. एंड मेरे नाक पे देखो रंगोली लगी है. आई डिडंट रियलाइज बट जब पता चला तो आई वाज लाइक अच्छा लेट इट गो. आई एम सो लाइक हंग्री. एंड देन आई टुक अ शॉवर एंड आई स्टार्टेड माई मेकअप. सो द वेरी फर्स्ट स्टेप इज़ मॉइस्चराइज़र. I moisturized my skin using Nivea cream and I got a glow after using it. My face was shining, as you can see. Second step is primer. Really, I'm having pores on my nose. So here I'm applying primer and to be honest ये इतना मतलब cheap है but still इतना अच्छे से काम करता है. I think it's the like best primer I have ever used. Primer helps to hide your pores. That's why we use it. Here I'm using lip balm to make our lips smooth. Here I'm using two foundations cause दोनों भी मेरे shade के नहीं है. That's why. Somehow I'm trying to bring out my shade. I'm not a professional makeup artist, but जितना एक normal एक teenage लड़की को आना चाहिए उतना आता है. So yeah, don't like judge me कि मैंने ये गलत किया. Okay, so here I'm using one beauty blender and it worked really good because मेरा first time था उसे use करने का. And yeah, as I'm obsessed with the purple color, so मेरी सारी चीज़ें purple ही होती है mostly. This beauty concealer. I know it's not the correct way to apply, but I like it that way cause I'm comfortable with that. वो आदिवासी नहीं होते क्या? Like that I'm looking. It's funny. So now just blend, blend and blend. Okay, so I'm done with all the blending. This is Blue Heaven का brow pencil. एक साइड से ब्रश है and एक साइड से है पेंसिल. So here I'm doing my brows. With this compact and this brush. This is so cute. So basically we are setting our base with the compact. This one is my first eyeshadow palette and I love this. First shades are green. After that it is orange shades. After that blues and after that purple and pink shades, which is my favorite. See, I'm having this much brushes but the thing is कि मुझे पता नहीं हाथ से लगाने ही comfortable लगता है. I don't know why. The eyeshadow palette is really pigmented. I don't know why it is not visible in the camera, but it is really pigmented. After that I will use this Swiss Beauty का metallic eyeshadow and I swear this is the best eyeshadow. So here please ignore my mirror. It is really old and I wanna buy a new one. Okay, so now we will go with the eyeliner. This is Faces Canada. Here I'm saying that I can't do the eyeliner in front of the camera. Yeah. Okay, so I'm done with my liner. Now we will curl our lashes. Here I'm counting from 1 to 10 on each of the eyelash. Apply this mascara. So now we will apply some kajal. I don't use kajal a lot, but still I did it. So our next thing is blush, which is my favorite, and here I'm doing some blush. Here comes the highlighter. another favorite thing of mine. Here I'm using two lipsticks that are liquid lipsticks. First I'm using a light and then a dark shade. Here is our last thing, which is fixing spray to fix our makeup. Sometimes I'm really dramatic, I think. Okay, so I'm done with my makeup and here I'm showing you guys what I did. This is all I can do and this is all I know about makeup. Nothing much. Okay, so this is my outfit, a normal top and a bottom, which is not a bottom, it is a gym wear. I bought it, but I don't know, I was like pehenna hai yaar, so I did it. And it is trending, I think nowadays it's trending a lot, so I bought it. Here I'm giving some poses. This is how it looks. It is like net. Now see how I'm looking and see me now in the bangs. I think I totally look like a different person. So here me and my brother, we were enjoying the crackers. I didn't burn a lot, but still few. That fuljadi. After my brother did this thing in the ground. And yeah, like it was beautiful. I legit wrote this on the parachute. I don't know why. I wanted to write something and yeah, I write it related to BTS. And yeah, so we tried, but to be honest, it was a failure and I was really upset. I was like, what yaar? So guys, first वाला parachute तो पूरा failure था. अभी we are gonna try second one. Let's. I hope कि वो work करे. आवाज़ आ रही है क्या? On second parachute, I wrote my name as well as I wanna meet BTS and my brother's name as well. I wrote. I think that's why it worked. See, whatever happened was totally unexpected, to be honest. I was not expecting this at all. It came back after falling down. I don't know how. I think it's the power of BTS. Oh, it's coming! Wow! It came up. No. Yeah, it. And as you can hear us, like we were screaming a lot because we were not expecting this. We thought like it went now, it's not gonna come, but it came and it like बहुत दूर तक के गया वो आसमान में. And it was really amazing to see that. And yeah, so here I'll end this vlog. And this was on the Panchami. This was the last cracker we had. And yep, that's it for today's video. Bye bye.